Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name Tiara Putri Amrina with NPM 224111034 from Management Class 22A. Here I will present the 10 material, namely about capital budgeting. Here I will explain capital budgeting. Definition: capital budgeting is the complete process of analyzing projects and determining which projects fall within the capital budget, or it can also be interpreted as the entire planning and decision-making process regarding the payment of funds, where the refund period exceeds 1 year. The 1-year limit is not absolute. 5 types of investment projection. The investment appraisal method is a way to identify the level of price and interest in investing capital. 1. Payback period. Payback period is one of the simplest methods. This method calculates the time required to recoup the initial cost of an investment based on cash flow. Simply put, B is the length of time an investment reaches the break-even point. A short payback period indicates a more attractive investment. 2. Net value present, NPV. NPV is the ratio of the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows over a certain period of time. The NPV value can be used to calculate the value of money and compare similar investment alternatives. If the NPV value is positive, then the investment should be made. This method is considered the best investment appraisal method. Net value present, NPV. Investment appraisal method formula: NPV, net value in the present. RT, net cash flow in out during the investment period. T, interest rate percent investment period in simple form. NPV can also be calculated as follows: NPV, present value of expected cash flows, present value of money invested. 5. Type of investment projection. 3. Internal rate of return, IRR. IRR is a method used to estimate the profitability of the investment in question. The IRR value is obtained by trial error discount rate to that the NPV value of all cash flow is equal to 0. The higher the IRR value, the more recommended the investment will be. The IRR value can be calculated using the following formula: IRR, internal rate of return, 0, NPV, 1 plus IRR, W, NPV, net value in the present, CT, net cash inflow during the investment period, T, CO, initial investment capital. 4. Accounting rate, RR, and time. ARR is an investment appraisal method to measure the amount of profit obtained from an investment. The RR value states the percentage of net profit to the amount of initial investment capital. X, the higher the ARR value, the more profitable the investment is considered. The formula for the ARR assessment method is profitability index, PI. The profitability index is a method of measuring the ratio of the present value of future investment flows to the initial investment amount. A PI value greater than 10 is considered a good investment. The profitability index value can be calculated using the following formula. Capital budgeting techniques. 1. Payback period. The method used to determine how long an investment will return. 2. Discounted repayment. Discount payback period. The length of time required for investment cash flows discounted at the investment cost of capital to cover costs. 3. Net present value. Net present value, the difference between the present value of cash inflow, process and expenditure for investment purpose, capital outlays. 4. Internal rate of return. IRR, internal rate of return, the method used to find an interest rate that makes the PV of cash inflow equal to the value of the cash outflow. Investment that has been spent. 5. Modified IRR and IRR. Modified IRR, investment in additional capacity, is also a replacement investment. Payback period. The payback period is the length of time it takes to recover the cost of an investment or the length of time an investor needs to reach a break-even point. Shorter paybacks mean more attractive investment, while longer payback periods are less desirable. The payback period formula has its own formula, which has the concept of dividing the investment value by the net cash flow coming in per year. This means that the formula can be written as follows: PP investment proceeds with PP payback period proceeds net cash flow. In this formula, it is also assumed the amount of net cash inflow is the same every period. The cash flow is constant every year. If the company's cash flow is different each year, then the payback period formula changes to PPN plus AB x 1 year with PP payback period and payback period requirements for investment capital. A. Cumulative amount of cash flow in the last year, and B. Cash flow in the year after the current cumulative year of cash flow, n plus 1. Payback period with discount. The discounted payback period is one of the criteria used to determine whether an investment project can be accepted or rejected. The discounted payback period is used to overcome weaknesses in the payback period criteria which do not consider the time value of money. The purpose of the discounted payback period is to determine how long it will take to cover all initial capital expenditures or initial outlay. Profitability index. The profitability index is helpful ranking various projects because it lets investors quantify the value created per each investment unit. A profitability index of 10 is logically the lowest acceptable measure on the index, as any value lower than that number would indicate that the project present value is less than the initial investment. As the value of the profitability index increases, so does the financial attractiveness of the proposed project. The profitability index can be computed using the following ratio. Profitability Index Investopedia PV of future cash flow initial investment. A. PV of future cash flow. Numerator. The present value of future cash flow requires the implementation of time value of money calculation. B. Investment required denominator. The discounted project cash outflow represent the initial capital outlay a project. The initial investment required is only the cash flow required at the start of the project. C. Interpreting the profitability index because profitability index calculation cannot be negative, they consequently must be converted to positive figure before they are diminished. Thus, I can convey more or less. I apologize if there are wrong words that are spoken, and for your attention, I thank you very much. Finally, I would like to say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.